Paula Deen shares secret of her weight loss of almost 40 pounds without exercise.
Before we begin, do us a favor and click that like button. Also subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be inspired by these inspiring stories every day.
Fans of celebrity chef Paula Deen know that she has 3 favorite ingredients: butter, butter, and more butter. But while she can cook up delicious southern comfort food like nobody's business, all those biscuits and gravy are tough on the waistline. Deen admits that her unhealthy diet and a type 2 diabetes diagnosis eventually forced her to slim down. But how she managed to drop 36 pounds is a lesson to all of us, because Deen didn't need to hit the gym or sacrifice her favorite foods. The Food Channel host admits she resisted making healthy lifestyle changes until her doctor gave her no other choice. "Honey, I was in denial. For a couple years," she admitted to Women's Day. In the end, the risk of not being around for her family in old age convinced Deen, now 71, to take control of her diet. "I want to be here for my grandchildren. I think about them every day. My daddy was dead at 40. My mother was dead at 44. And look, I'm still here." But the cookbook author's first order of business was not to go on a juice purge or to sign up for a spin class. "I went into my kitchen and I threw every white food out except for cauliflower," she revealed. "Cauliflower became my very good friend." That included white bread, rice, potatoes, and even pasta. Deen also gave up on her daily glass of sweet tea to cut back on sugar and replaced her drink of choice with flavored teas instead. "I was drinking smoothies for breakfast, but one that's all fruit will immediately turn to sugar, so I've backed off those," she added. Deen says she didn't stick to any single diet, but embraced many aspects of the keto plan, which encourages high protein and low carb meals. She told Shape that in practice, she tried to fill her plate with more greens and less starches at every meal. Deen didn't totally rule out exercise, but says at most she spent a half an hour walking each day or hopped on the treadmill for a jog. Mainly, she chalks up losing 36 pounds in just 4 months to putting her fork down, eating in moderation, and having a conversation about her eating habits. "I just needed to learn to eat normal portion sizes and not overindulge," she said. Best of all, Deen's family adopted her healthy habits, and together they've lost more than 200 pounds. During an appearance on Dr. Oz, Deen offered advice for any fans who wanted to lose weight without eating salad or rice for every meal. "The thing that I'm really trying to focus on, y'all, is moderation. Moderation, moderation," she said. "Eat a cookie. Just don't eat 6 of them." The world is filled with stories going viral every single day. But how many of these sites can you actually follow? We understand that your day should start with positive stories, stories that resonate with you. And so we started JoJo Stories. Our mission is to create meaningful stories that cover everything from animals to anthropology, history to environment and lifestyle. The kind of content you read on our site will be one you'll want to share with your family and friends. We hope you'll join our growing family and be part of our community. Welcome to JoJo Stories. JoJoStories.com.